5 children's books featuring LGBTQ characters aimed at grades K through 5 have roiled a suburban Maryland school district and led to a Supreme Court case that the justices will hear on Tuesday. Parents in Montgomery County who object for religious reasons want to pull their children from elementary school classes that use the books.
Parents are not comfortable having their children exposed to these things at such an early age. I mean, we're talking about pre-K and elementary school kids. These are not adults or young children in their youth who are matured enough that the parents have agreed to put in these classes. These are kids that do not even know what the terms mean.
The county school system has refused, and lower courts have so far agreed. But the outcome could be different at a high court dominated by conservative justices who have repeatedly endorsed claims of religious discrimination in recent years.
In this country, there's been a long tradition of recognizing that parents get to parent and direct the upbringing of their kids, and especially when it comes to the religious upbringing of their kids. And I think this case is an opportunity for the court to reaffirm that longstanding tradition.
The parents argue that public schools can't force kids to participate in instruction that violates their faith. They point to opt-out provisions in sex education and note that the district originally allowed parents to pull their children when the storybooks were being taught, before abruptly reversing course.
Our hope is that the justices see that this is a common sense. We're not asking for anything special, and that they restore the opt-out for parents so they can parent.
In court papers, lawyers for the schools wrote that the handful of storybooks are not sex education materials, but, quote, rather tell everyday tales of characters who experience adventure, confront new emotions, and struggle to make themselves heard.